So my people, me have a lot of things to share with you. Me don't know which part to start. All me know say the Gaza First Lady drop a big bomb, a massive bomb, my people, and expose who take her something whenever it never given to him and him take it. You see me I say, me don't know if me I go put it in at the title, but for now, me I go leave you in a suspense because she jumped on her live last night and expose who take her something, my people. Take her meat, O-R-A-P-E-R. You see me I say? And my people, Jah know this no look good none at all. And them woman here in a dance hall mostly, a whole heap of things happen to them on them journey to becoming an artist, you know, my people. And enough of them, if them tell them story, we look different from some of the people them we are look on and hold up highly, you know. Me are telling you, you know, my people, you see females overall coming up, you know what I mean? Them go through a lot more than man, and that's why you have to check on them more while and check if them alright. You see me? And mental health is real, but we not gonna use, you see me I say, mental health and diagnose nobody when a doctor no evaluate, because enough of the time them want to tell them truth and them have it bottle up for the longest while and it affect them. You see me, and when them a speak out, we quick to say that person the head no good, whatever. You see me, we are gonna get in at that, my people. We also are gonna get in. I look like say boy, my people. In Nicki Minaj situation, it a affect Queenie, and me not lie. If a bad mind, it don't look good pan Queenie, because Queenie come out and a style Nicki Minaj, my people. And we Jamaicans, we know say Nicki Minaj love the foolishness, she love the passa, she love the mix up. You see me I say? And me did tell you a long time, say yo, this now go end well with Nicki Minaj coming so close interacting with these Jamaicans, you know, because I know how them turn. Jamaicans are people where you can't tape. You see me I say? You're good with them now, and once things now go for them way, them disrespect you. You know what I mean? But your people, that can't affect Nicki Minaj none at all. Jamaica is just a small island where they buy music. And we don't go, and we not go support or concert them, so that not have nothing to do with Nicki Minaj. But they're gonna make you hear what Queenie have to say. Seeing we also have Ivany, you know what I mean, aside with Blamdem people, and this a Pretti Dan in our people. You see this Pretti Dan situation and Blamdem, me feel like say I line up Blamdem. I just my opinion, me not say are the truth. That I just my opinion. You see me I say, because knowing America, why would you go somebody yard and you know say camera there everywhere and do whatever? See? But him a run off him mouth and him have a lot of people where him disrespect, and him no know say the people them where him a friend with on TikTok where him no know from nowhere, maybe a friend with the people them where him in a things with and then line up your ass. So we are gonna get in at that, because him also a different people may have a lot. You see me I say for sure we don't know which part to start. You know what I mean? Because we also have Camcam get exposed, my people. It look like say Camcam whop up our daughter, and our daughter take away herself, go tell the officers them, and some scratches and something did depend, and the daughter there, our auntie had, and one bag of something, my people. We are going to share that we don't know also. So me I go just kick it off right now, because me have a lot, and me add more things while we progress. So we're gonna just jump in it right now.
Works knowing that camera they are even the street like them, stop like them over there. Dan said they tried to pay her to shut up. Ring camera. This me not feel like a ring camera footage this. Cause ring camera use 1080p. Me used to do security and surveillance. Ring camera 1080p 4K. Worse if it's a spotlight camera. This look like it's a blink camera. Blink, I want to look a square black camera, black sound. I think a 720. The video quality they are trash. And the audio quality are trash.
Hungry belly Pretti Dan, broke pocket Pretti Dan, top tell bumbuckler lie. Tell the people them see a prank, dog shit. They tell like, see Nicki Minaj, top tell like for the bumbuckler to man. Tell the people them say, Tell the people them say a liar bumbo kartel pan you man. How the hell me go there on the phone with the woman and a video me a video? Eh?
Yo.
Me a video. How the
Yo.
Migos.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you listen to the video where you hear me?
Yeah, man, I hear you, Bobby.
If you listen to the video where Blamdem a play, in one of the video that I hear where Pretti Dan said to him, say, Wagwan, you want the dress again? You know what the dress mean? At the address. A Pretti Dan gave Blamdem the address for come here. I don't know how people so gullible and not really watch Wagwan. You see them plan it, you know? Them plan it. But it look like, say, some of Blamdem anime. You know when Blamdem and Pretti Dan did up on the live the other day, and Pretti Dan say, oh, she know Blamdem from long time, and how them link up. And that them use for get to Pretti Dan, for try to get him, for try to get her, for set up Blamdem, for come my yard.
Alright.
For come our yard.
But
Because nobody never know say them know each other like that until she come on the live and them on the live when them a bury whoever them a bury. And she mentioned say, yeah man, me know him from long time, that's why me know say the video when them a post out of him is not him. So it look like him enemy them when no Pretti Dan in person. I try to use that for she set up the man. Cause if you realize the man never go there with no intention and no war.
the video where you said, look how long me gave the address or something like that. Which part of the video there?
She said, so you want the dress again? She said, you want the dress again? We don't know if everybody else here. She said, you want the dress again, which is the address she attack. In our one video at the end of it, she said, so you want the dress again, which is the address where she a give the man. So at the enemy, them remember she probably never even intentionally do it now, but them a pressure or the Blamdem enemy, them a pressure for do it. And the trigger when she said to the man say, though me have to tell you when me want it fall. Now me tell you what kind of problem me in. I go down them a pressure say for do it and she want the trigger and for move or take care herself or something. Something in a something. Something in a something and me can read right between the lines.
So you feel like a prank?
And it was a prank. The going to the yard business was a prank. The going to the yard business was a prank between the two of them. But it reached a point where it looked like Blamdem have enemy when no Pretti Dan and no say them she hear them and say them link up like that. And I use it for she lower the man. You see which part she position herself right there so she get the man on the camera. But she never know say the man that well. In the same I do him own recording for part of the prank. And them a pressure her for giving the man. I know she let me tell you it I go reach a point where Pretti Dan second long and everything I go come to light, you know. It I reach a point where Pretti Dan, you know, so the other day when me I watch a video and me hear Pretti Dan say, of course then me and Blamdem they know each other. I say Ross. Cause me know say Blamdem have some enemy when know Pretti Dan and know exactly where Pretti Dan live. And I say Ross where them got taught that for. And see it? Not even a month or so, it go exactly like how me think. And them I try to get Pretti Dan to set up the man.
Okay.
The man, if the man did really go there for do something, the man, I remember the man have all this time when I walk hide him face. He know you like that and him trust you. That's why I'm there in your yard without mask. The man not even come with no intention, him say, hey, wagwan. And that him say, hey, wagwan. They never come like, yo, where, them say, hey, wagwan.
Okay.
And she chip up the video to the point where, like, the man has seen her threat or something like that. But the idiot, them alone now go realize what going.
Okay.
Them know each other, them talk on phone with each. Alright. Anybody when know Blamdem Migos no say. Blamdem can't hold him out for nothing. Blamdem sling a daytime and scroll the live them and see who call him name. And as soon as he turn on in live, he done you later, he can't hold him out. So you see if my Pretti Dan did really have something, Pretti Dan had the same thing too, she can't hold her mouth. She would have come out and say, suck pussy Blamdem. You talk about me like none of them not come out come say nothing about each other. None that even yesterday when Blamdem the live and everything happy, you know you're a little hint of nothing and Blamdem love chat so. You don't hear me so you know so alright, look on the other day when he saying Page, the Rasta where I call up him name. He never hide it. Did Blamdem hide and say you remember that video that when him say
Hey, and that's why in life you have to know what you do and who you are friend with. You don't know who will line you up to get mashed down. Remember, you know, even the woman where you sleep with, you run program pan, even your family will run program pan, you know. So you can't trust nobody in a them a time, yeah. You understand me? And Blamdem, him, you know, him come brawling, this everybody, this, that, ray. As me say, him no know who I enemy friend. You see me? Me nah see a line him up a while, you know, but he looks spooky to me. Make me know what to think. We'll get back in it.
Him page the Rasta, and people confirm say I chew him dip on stage with the man and him go to the man and him say I mean and blame them. So all the freaky mood and they are pretty down yard and page man and him come on live and say, oh some boy I call him and blame them would and chat, blame them can't hold him out. It save him life. Say when I come out and say, yo, you know, see all the done, and she call up my name and ray, and when I show up at your yard, you couldn't say nothing. The man don't talk. So people have to just read between the lines. It's not about Pretty Dan and it's not about Blamdem. I Blamdem enemy them. I try get to him through she. But she go come talk eventually, you know. Either some money I go pay and she keep her mouth shut. Or something I got man some fallout and she go come talk. But me I tell you see I saw it go and you know go no other way because when the day just long at the chair and she say, me no blame them like that cause we all link up. Me say, shit. I feel no say it come work out exactly. Because him have some enemy we close to her, of course, them probably not on good terms, but them are gonna use this to get to her. I mean listen to me and say
yeah, Bobby, I take another call and hear what the other people them say.
Alright.
Alright, thanks, mama.
Yeah, man.
Gotcha. Boy, I want to go on over here.
End it.
How this going on? Oh, see it there. Blood clot.
Same thing when I type in the comments so the girl I say same way when me see the post when she say big up Spice and big up World Dog, me say watch ya set up the youth for expose him. Yeah, set him up. Them play she Pretty Dan for expose Blamdem because maybe they know him but them not have the full identity of him. I play them player for set up the youth. And she get money, she get bigger than the 3,000 where she beg Blamdem. I said she sell out the youth.
So why should we believe you? How you get this information, Bobby?
It clear as day, just like what the girls say when she did up on the live and she said, me know him personally, man. Blamdem I'm a friend long time. I say, why should I disclose that? The same day when them are bury shade. The same thing with the girls say, me been a say it in the comments.
Okay. So you feel like it's a collaborative effort, Faith? Of
course, it's clear as day, plain. Nobody now will come here. Him feel secure. That's why he didn't wear any mask. Go to our house. Who is going to turn up at somebody's house? Who is going to do something to you without a mask?
Okay. All right.
Comfortable. Him feel comfortable, and she betray him.
All right. Give thanks for your input here, Bobby. I appreciate you. Anybody who is in support of Pretty Dan, how that go? Make we hear what go on. Who support Pretty Dan? Make we hear the other side. That one I take long for load the fuck. Blood clot, I want to know load that Charles is a Nintendo 64 this. Boy, in addition, I'm gonna walk one, Bobby. Mighty Jesus. I want to go on, sir. I have to take out the cartridge and blow up on it to blood clot. I want to go on, sir. Take long for load up a fuck. Yo, all I go on, I could have prank this. Let me tell you, that me I think right now. A prank. Blood clot prank this. Prank. Because I understand, a man can't so lose Fuga Masha works. And have a no blood claw mask. A madness that Rasta. Me no know. I could be wrong, but I could be right. Me no know.
Alright, so for me, I feel like it's a big prank because this is Blamdem's type of thing that he always does. Him play into whatever people are saying about him, and then in next week or the next 2 weeks him come back and say a lie. And never him. I don't understand why would he expose himself to Pretti Dan of all persons. We kind of do the same thing with him do. I don't get it. And him hide from him. Nobody don't know who the real him is. Everybody just knows say him live in a Miami and him ever just a show either the table or him show outside with the big Trump towers them a show. So I don't understand like why would he even expose himself to Pretti Dan?
Yeah.
Of all persons.
So Jamaica, somebody asks, why would they create such a prank in the first place?
Because this is how them reach far as how them want to reach. I saw them do it, them risky for the business. Remember every week or every 2 weeks is a new story. The internet been dead. So them have to come up with something. You understand? Them reach very far. Them do it all. Well, me know of is Blamdem do it all the time. When people that walk and talk about, when them show up the video, when them say, oh, I am this, him.
Alright, my people, me tell you no say me not believe no for the things them people add up on social media until it look like say yeah, this a real thing. You know what I mean? Me not too believe this thing will go on with Pretti Dan and Blamdem, you know, because they can make it up and make it look real or whatever. But me see Pretti Dan post something where she like where she go at the go make the officer them know what I go and she post it on her thing. So right now me have to say why it look like say yo Ray, tell me what you think about what these people are say, because Pretti Dan can get a money for line him up. You see me I say it's not impossible, but me don't know what really go on. So me just there out here so I speculate and I give my opinion. I want to tell me what you think, me people. We are gonna watch a little bit more of this. Then we are gonna go over Ivany and now I talk how she feel about the situation with Pretti Dan and Blamdem. She and Blamdem they on live.
I say yeah man. When them say oh I mean when them was Russian or something like that, them say him. And nobody does not know how this man look. Him walk and him cause squash him. Why would you want you do all of this or why would you want to show yourself? You don't think people are come for you? So that don't make no sense. It's just a big prank. Pretti Dan we say oh me hear people are start about oh Pretti Dan say oh him know who from like Pretti Dan don't know who. Not because you come from Miami means you know who. You could have walked past the person you don't know says the person. So that don't make no sense. Pretti Dan do not know is who. Them just come together on the internet. Yes, they might talk, but they don't know each other. Well, as far as I'm concerned, Blamdem don't know nobody. Blamdem is there's no face. There's no face to the case. So that don't make no sense. And the voiceover on the video where she posts or whatever, that sound like a one live where him and Nicki Minaj always a do, and she just add him voice to it. Cause we all can do that without any watermark. So that don't make no sense to me.
Oh.
Yeah, so that's my 2 piece.
Alright, thank you so much, Jamaica.
Yeah.
Who is in support of Pretti Dan? Why you're a different perspective? Who is in support of Pretti Dan? Greetings.
Hello, good night.
Hello, Bobby.
You hear me?
Yes.
Me not depend two side, you know, but the people they want to know who I tell lie.
Double team.
Let's go hungry.
Me make 3 grand by a month for done. This a month. Really?
And if you help him make 3 grand by this amount to done.
And we make 3 grand in less than 15 minutes an hour.
Alright.
Who let me find a dog?
I'll cost me. I'll cost me to go for live with him.
No.
I'll cost me.
Me make 3 grand by.
Pretti Dan go suck him, mama. Me not like Pretti Dan from Blamdem.
And me tell him say TikTok we go up and go make him money. Look when he say TikTok. You see me? Alright, TikTok dog and Ray like say Ray.
Pretty than hungry like a dog, me dog. Me I tell you, he hungry, pretty than
He do anything for
Alright, watch
you.
out, he do anything, watch out. Spice PM for this people and bring down people. You see me? And the human give
That's
money
the
now.
window. He have one video with RT.
Yes. Ivany, watch out now. In bad mind.
The girls them pretty.
But me not to talk about Spice. No can't tell more about my life.
Nah, one blood clot queen. Blamdem. Me I tell you where so good girl though. You know so one day in my RT in a so. I mean, I know where you get RT nudes from. You send me RT video and RT a bang one woman. And he kill me high and low for send it out because RT must have send him $1,000, $2,000. Guys, remember that life that one with over blinga? RT for send him some money and RT they send him the money. So instead of RT no send him the money, he must leak RT video. And RT must have your wife and they want nobody see the video. So RT say, I lie tell you I have no video for leak. So he send me RT video in a Instagram. And when me hope it up, me couldn't believe what me see. And he tell me, Savani, if you don't make me get my money from him, quick blinga did I go try a case between them. And he said if RT don't make him give me money, me for post it. And RT end up send me must say 5 bills or 4 bills or something another. And he said me $1,000 and he said post it. And how me and him for come together. I through the Instagram they gone, the big Instagram they me have, and he take that off a cross say. RT no give the money my post the video and then can't post the video because RT said my assume if he put out the video and he send me the video because I want me to put you out so that when me put you out everybody have it so that he can run with it and blame me. See I'm smarter than them. So
I said styling pull for me.
Up till this day I don't post it. Them telling me and cheese I did friend and I'll cheese ask me for the video because RT send me and cheese money the day. Guys and I like chat to the member we up and blinga like blinga they go try and case and I made it for me pretty than liar. RT send cheese money and RT send me money. I me never post the video. I'll cheese it come around a friend me I tell myself I send her the video like she take me and eat it. And I say no come in I got prison for nobody video.
Bro, I saw the intent bro.
And up till now I still have a video on my phone and I don't post it.
Bro, me and him plan and say we a keep funeral for Shibada and Shay. He said me go buy fish. Rat how much something and me buy them. Bro, you man want me pay. Me say, bro, me nah do that, bro. Want me go away. So me say, call you go live. Making Nicki Minaj send him must say 4 liar, I must say 5. And the woman a cuss about
I mean I share all love.
They diss me up, they say, yo, I know you make Nicki Minaj send me nothing. And Nicki Minaj do me from 2021. Come live the show. Say man Nicki Minaj a text. Say man Nicki Minaj a text by Instagram I try prove a point to people. In bad mind, bro, call me
about the message them?
When? The message them?
Yeah. No, like you know see when to in love
he put out the message. He show up on the live. He put out the message on man Nicki Minaj a text and Nicki Minaj call him. You send me the run of the yard, he might come back. And the video, human dey on the phone with him and he might tell like say, and me and the woman dey on phone. So human, they try send out him and Nicki Minaj dey on call. They try tell people say man Nicki Minaj dey on call. They try feel special.
Man.
Bro, Nicki Minaj not gonna trust him again for calling.
Nah, trust him. You know see when though. When Nicki Minaj did dey on live with him and Destiny coming out the box. I don't remember what Destiny said to Nicki. My screenshot that thank you Nicki Minaj bye boy I'm saying but I tell you when though Nicki Minaj or him the pan live I don't remember what Destiny said to Nicki or what Nicki said to Destiny so I guess them didn't want Destiny to come up in the box. Destiny go up in the box like Destiny, I said, Nicki Minaj, why you said that about me? I don't like that. So, you know, Nicki Minaj was saying, shut up, because I guess it now make Nicki Minaj talk. So she said, shut up, let me talk. So Destiny said, no, I'm come down. So, who you saying about these people, them, I can't say enough, I can't say I can't this Destiny, but you see, oh, him did that do it too extra, I get too hype. I mean, if you see Nicki Minaj go back on Destiny Live, go say, sorry, and he love me. I said, so where you do that for? You see what I show you? Just because you see the woman pan live did like a troll Destiny, you take it out of hand and a class Destiny and I behave the most way. Me I like Destiny and when me see my class Destiny me laugh but at one point you were doing it too you didn't go too far, it all drying out, you didn't cut so long for it like it never that deep.
Bro, Ivany, if you still know protect page, boy take bro pink wall the pan live, me no know pretty than a pink wall like them my friend. You never hear pink wall say nothing bad about pretty than it. Never. Never in our life.
Is a Batman own pink wall? Is a Batman?
Me know, that's some here say I want Batman money. I bring me down over there. Him and blood clot pretty than I bring me down over there.
Every time I make one page, pink wall block me. It's a vlogger page and everybody can comment and say something. So why would everybody put them opinion, you don't block them, but as soon as I voice my opinion.
No, if you go report that page. That page if you come down off the internet, that page now spit no justice. That if you want to bring down people
in a vlogger page where don't give a fuck when nobody
a politics
pick and choose who them want
to post. Page, yes, a politics page.
Alright, people, me nah lie still, you know, this looks serious, you know, but guess what? Me still not trust it, you know. You know why me not trust it? Here we go on. If something like that happened to you, seeing, just as the person left, as a person like Pretti Dan, just as the person that left so you can free up and know say yo you no longer in know them not have no machine for you. The first thing you would do, I go click your live and even show the vehicle when it a driveway and talk how it go. But there was a build up to she exposing, like say she wanna get the place interesting. You know what I mean? She wanna get the people them interesting. Then she drop and then expose them name. You see me I say? So it was a build up. So to me it look like say something where she plan or them plan, but some planning go on. This no natural. You know natural, you know happen just so and Ray. You know what I mean? Cause why would you find time for go type where you want to say? How would you find time for type where you want to say? You would jump on your phone and maybe do a video or go live. Tell me if me wrong, people. Make me know what I think. As me said, this is just my opinion. Me never did them, me no know what go on. Me just analyze it and I go to my opinion to make we get back in at people.
Yeah.
That page now spit no justice. It's a politics page.
Then we post be a negative about me, and when the people them comment, them not block them. But as soon as me comment, me get blocked. Why am I getting blocked? It's supposed to be a free speech because it's a block.
I tell say them I'm Pretti than a friend, Pretti than know, Pretti than tell me say I'm Batman only. I'm Pretti than people them, I'm Pretti than friend.
Members say come in.
Alright,
Pretti Dan finger them can vibrate.
Where they Pretti Dan call me and tell me saying woman a do squash here and the woman a pussy. That thing call me and tell me where they. Everybody say that
was. Woman mad him off for the
everybody say
put on ear and a skin out in down when gender. You never see one butch do them
so. You have to tell me that I'm my only butch of so. Pretti Dan a disgrace to Jamaica, bro. Tell like boy traumatized. If popcorn then traumatize him and popcorn will him down a bush with nobody. If Royal Lag then traumatize my party when Royal Lag pull a gun pan him. So me if traumatize you and I'm your friend, Junko. Me can't just get too much lion a while ago. And me pull a gun pan you.
I pull gun pan him.
When I watch it, me show you a video.
But you see, yesterday after people them, yesterday when they said that people gunman go pan Pretti Dan, the first thing I said, did they bingo? And when the people them said, I said, I lie, no go so.
Listen here. Watch tell me which pan a video you see gun. Nobody pint no gun pan Pretti Dan. Time to go carry go.
Hold on. I'm glad more make a speech, Blamdem. Glad you cannot on the live because I wanted to say this. The other day I saw when Nicki Minaj, when you was on live with Pretti Dan, right? Pretti Dan was saying stuff like Destiny is the one that call ice on people and Destiny is evil because Destiny like to call immigration. And I heard for myself when Nicki Minaj was saying that why is people calling immigration on our own nation? That is not nice. But you should know that Pretti Dan herself like to call immigration because she like to send threat to me about immigration. She tell me a lot of times that if I don't stop mix with people, she gonna call immigration on me and she want to see me at Jamaica for fight me and beat me up and me soon get deported and the things them. So the same things that Pretti Dan is on live telling you that other people are doing, she is doing the same exact thing. You can type it in on TikTok, type in Pretty than cousin Ivany, and you will see it come up where she said she's gonna call immigration on me to get me deported because I'm not allowing my son to do this. So you can't listen to these people because the same thing that they're complaining that others are doing. Him do the same exact thing. Cause what they threaten me say I call immigration for me to get me deported. So him do the same exact thing. Him do the same. When me I listen, me I say, oh my God, now you just where they say you gonna call ice for me and you gonna beat me for Jamaica. Why you even want me come to Jamaica for beat me up? Me running from Jamaica for a better life in America. Why me eat? Me can't go back to Jamaica in the first place. So why me I go to Jamaica and fight? You in America, me in America. Why not fight in America? Why you want me go to Jamaica? You bad mind. You bad mind. Because
I'm alone one day.
People there when I have papers are do better than who have papers. And I don't have him.
You know, long pretty than live America and I just get a right place to live. That's why I feel talk about it so. Pretty than big
at least, even though Blamdem we cuss, we say go look work. At least we not the drama forget gift. Pretty than if we cuss out every single body. Everybody. Nobody no one playing a match with
bro,
you. One time people used to play a match with you.
I say me sorry. Everybody when me cuss me say sorry too. When me
yeah, look how
look how me they are good. If one of them me say sorry to, can me get me clout now.
Nobody know I play with Pretty than me can check up everybody file and think where am I do. That's not how you
bro,
you want to be this reporter, you can't be a reporter and a disrespect people like that.
One friend, Pretty than me gonna make you one voice. Me gonna play one voice for them at this up sick white line with my friend.
Blamdem, where you get so much receipt from?
I can't tell you boy. The boy slick while on with a big pussy clot. Yes, man, him be in life, bro. But how him afraid for me sometime cause Beenie and somebody feel rough.
You're in bad.
Yeah, yes, man. No, the whole of your bumbo clad career.
You're in bad.
And what them boy I do for you? No pussy clot talk. You have your own bumbo clad legacy.
You're in bad.
You have your live off of them pussy clad artists. Your boy, you look and big ratings from
them. You're in bad.
Fake.
Is them Beenie himself wants a ratings. Never run a boy slick white line a while ago. And the only thing me not tell him I'm gonna suck him mother, I swear.
But you don't cannot tell.
But aware of that, me that try look for what me see for you. And a European chick depend like a somebody else. Me that go see one little video where me see like, are you stand up on the car?
Yeah.
Blamdem, you look good enough.
I mean.
But you have to say you're handsome enough.
Me no must look good, me no must
I have swag in a blood clot.
Bro, Pretty than know me good. When me a pull up run Pretty than in my big old fat S class.
You look good enough.
Turn on me S class Benz, me turn up on. And I sell me, I go sell you and get rid of it and buy a laptop.
I jacket your thing. I can't say you're handsome and that blood clot something that you have on for your face. Pretty than look like couple.
Hey, here Ivany, a boast Blamdem ego. I thought about the man cute and a mask. When he knows say the man knows fuck up, boy, me I tell you what, let me know what I think with people. What me feel like say, you see me, all this thing you are going with Pretty than and Blamdem. Pretty than either get some money for line him up. This is just my opinion, people. Me can't wrong still, you know. But when me look on him, I say, yo, oh, somebody fi just rush you and you find time to type and post when you just jump on your phone and say, Blamdem, in just left a while ago. Because remember, you know, Florida is a place where everybody have a machine. If a person hold you at the point of a machine and you can't move, you can go for your machine. So if him feel like if him did feel some type of way, say, boy, yo, them could have dirt me. After him left, you don't know, say you have for your machine in them can't come back in your place, can't do you nothing. Because you would have for your machine to clap it on him. See? So you find time to type when you could have just do a video and put it out. Make me know what you think, me people. I watch some more of this and then we go over to the next.
Pretty than know me big fat Benz. He said Benz so me turn up and sit there. Pretty than know me good and know me and me money. A bad man, I saw him try so me train take me a millions to give him. But they can go near more team, them are carrying in my name so you can't get no more tight. Because near more team, mama.
Look on Pretty than.
Look at him hungry and broke. Look on him. Bad mind.
No, pretty than two bagger. I'm two. You know, so me and Dan never have nothing. Me actually follow Dan follow me, and me and Dan used to play match, and we used to alright. But then me realized that Dan take up my family issue. First thing, he used to step on my side, say, he used to step on my side, say, he like, oh, me I do my thing, and the boy never give me no when I'm pregnant. Now in change him mouth, and I said, me I hide my son from him father, and him start this me up, and me I say, isn't it the same person? Me still on and play a match with me and your friend, and you come around and you this me now, and follow him. Me I say, you're too terrible. I can't be friend.
Bad mind in bad mind. To me full of watch and chain, me put a to me full of watch to blood clot, me put some of them for me chain for pendant.
If you know pretty than earnings come only from Facebook. That's
no,
all
me
we
not,
can
bro.
talk about.
Pretty than tell I say I make 10 grand and 20 grand off a month on YouTube. In lie. Not every artist them now make that off a YouTube.
You not get so much views, you're not getting them. If you go on YouTube and pretty than views, you don't get 20K for that.
Tell like boy, they tell like boy I make blood clot. Say I make
lie
20 grand. You too bomba clot lie.
Lie. And then another thing now. That's why him come on. Thank you, Minaj. Thank you, baby. That's why I come on TikTok, because he realizes that. And that's why people affiliate you and me, because we don't hide. I'm not saying everybody should know how much money we make, but at least we come out and make we know say, all right, we have an income on TikTok. So Trim realized that every TikToker I make money now. That's why I see him come over here and I try to do one little thing for get views, but nobody still not give him.
Bro,
they disrespect so many people, nobody not give you. That's rude.
Bro, me tell you what, me pretty that never go make no money. Iman Shalom, if you until then change.
So we pay Shalom.
You know what? Guess why they not make no money? Guess why? Because them are going to them two bumbo clad straight.
And then
militant. They now play everybody. You have to play.
And then you watch people money. Like me go do my body. You're gonna tell me
people money.
You're gonna tell me say my body pop down. If I am making money and I know that my rent is paid, my son alright, I have little change in my saving, grocery there in my house. Why me can't take my money to my body? And my money, you know, even though people give it to me, it's mine. They give it to me, but I do what I want to do with it afterward. Yeah. So when y'all watch my money for and what the people them a give me.
Yeah.
Yes, bro, still him make money, but him now go do a skin blood clot surgery upon him skin where we're running bleaching cream now work for him.
Bro, in PS I bought 20 color here, black, white, brown, red. Me I say my blood clot, then I went
purple.
Then he not no shame. Copper shot. But watch you know, hear him call me one day. Yo, don't play no match with Jayden. Don't watch what you a make. Watch what them a make. So me I say me bumbo clot.
Yeah, what your people a make for?
God tell me that thing.
What is that doing for you?
Tell me not to play no live with them.
What people are make, you can't stop people earnings. You're going to watch it till you're mad out, because the more you watch, the more you're going to What people don't understand is everybody on the platform have their own people that support them. You have your group of people, me have my group of people, Jayden have him group of people. It doesn't matter what you tell Jayden people, them love Jayden for whatever reason, they will always support him. Them love you for your reason, they're going to always support you. A lot of time them say nobody no forgive me, but it's like you're trying to control people money. It no matter what you tell a man, them love me, even though Bonnie mix up, Bonnie this, Bonnie that, Bonnie on a self-esteem, whatever. People don't look at that. People love me for me, so that's why they will continue to give me money, because they know what they love. Them see the vibe. Them know what them love about me, and that's why them keep on support me. So all I hear these people are saying, don't give that person that, don't give that person that. You cannot stop that. And a people money, a people like one time them say, oh, you take on hard working money give people. It's not yours. And them work hard feet, so them supposed to can spend it and do whatever they want with it. That's why I tell us one time when I see them come go, cancel money, don't give far. Me have to laugh off of them. Cause at the haters them I say, so you not give me your money, that's fine. It's okay, you don't have to give me. You've been not give me. But why you think that my people them are gonna stop me? Them not gonna stop. The more you tell them don't give, the more them come give. Yeah. Just bad man.
Bro, to want me tell Nicki Minaj say a gift everybody. Nicki Minaj ever say Blamdem, you're a spokesman for me money. Me share with everybody,
you
bro.
see man that one comments last night. Because when you did add me to the live,
yeah,
and you did go away after you may play the one match,
yeah,
and you go away, I end up say, you know, so I like that Blamdem are going now. I mean, I tell the people them say, no matter how you used to come from my life and disrespect me, I never yet once answer you. I just loyal make you do what you do. Him comment under the video, a gift she want from Nicki Minaj. I say, watch ya, Nicki Minaj been give me long time.
Who comment on the video?
Pretti Dan.
Allah ya tell.
Yes, he comment on one of the video, then I find the blogger page and I say, me figure something my mother gift me one from Nicki Minaj. I mean,
so traumatized.
Nicki Minaj been gift me.
Well, I know. So I'm traumatized, but yet him a give problem for him.
Him a give problem.
You embarrassed, class.
You see when Nicki Minaj used to give
This is what I do, please. Find the
Nicki
video before
Minaj
you
used to
delete
give
it.
Britney. Nicki Minaj just pop up on live one day and just give me. I'm like, you're late.
Somebody
She been
screenshot
stuck
you and
for
send it
one
to me.
time.
Well, on the ivany. Somebody screenshot you and send me to me, please.
Go send it to me. I go back on the page and
Hurry
find
up, hurry
it.
up before.
Hey, one thing me know say, you see TikTok is a bad mind place and a envious place, and people will unalive you for you make pan TikTok because them now make it. Because no for them people here, them a draw down some whole heap of money off of TikTok, you know. And you see once a person go pan TikTok and them see how much money can make pan TikTok, but them now make it, you know. Them are the first one to come out, fi cuss the people them, fi show how much the people them a make, fi say this, fi say that. Me a telling on my people, you see me?
Before you delete it, hurry up before you delete it.
Go find
Hurry up before you delete it. Do it fast. I do it, you know, my friend. Me go viral without show me face, you know, that I'm mad, you know. Me go viral without show myself, bro. By just cussing. And I know no can't hear say nobody run up on me and do me nothing. Cause me stand strong, bro. I want all the boys say me a hide and me a coward. Yeah, man, coward live to fight war the next day. Me a coward, bro. I mean, me a coward. Yes, me a coward. Me tell me yard, come through me door now. I ain't see coward. Just pull up on me door. Just pull me door and come through here and see. And if I gonna make it through me door. Come pull me door if me a coward. Come pull me door. Bro, we live in a gun state. Florida is a matic state. And a name prank. You don't lick me. You don't hear say me there on news. That me a charge pretty than a matic, you know, bro. Pretty than a matic, you know. Say if I did, I'm gonna go you out, dog. I'm gonna go you out. That me a tell you, bro. Go on, I'm gonna go you out. I'm gonna go you out. I me a tell you straight. I'm gonna go you out. You just well want cancel me, but it not work. So go live. Go live and come chat off your mouth. Come in and chatting with them. I not do this with you. Listen. That me a try to show you, bro. Eh? Or me I feel the party today and tomorrow in a problem. You too lie, bro. You too lie. It's a wicked. And you come and cry to people, man, and pretend. And they paint a fake to people. Like I say, yo, media or something. They tell me, how the hell me gonna take internet that serious? You think me put myself in a problem for internet? Eh? Who the hell gonna put themselves in a problem for internet? People don't use no common sense. From the see video come and the system in have no mask. You sure know say I prank that. You to bumbo cladons. You should even make me coffee come adjust this ya. You to bumbo cladons. You should make me have to come here so come adjust this ya. You sure know what I know one head. You should use no common sense and know say a foolish that. You to bumbo cladons. So all who want say this and that and rare gonna name out to the mama. You sure use no common sense and know say a phone she a come with. You sure know that. You fi use on a big head. You told down yes, your money my house laugh for me. You can't hear somebody are hungry and they plead to somebody for $3,000 US. If you got paying rent. Look at your blood clot chest eye. You not even make your beg want 5 bills. You want $3,000 US. You don't think me a hungry belly family in Jamaica can get that $3,000 there. Me if you take up $3,000 US, you, who is you for me get $3,000? Eh? Who is you for me get $3,000? Eh? So me take up $3,000 give you off of me TikTok money when me I make. You just start make little money on TikTok and me take up $3,000 give you tight. And so me no give you try bring me down. Come take it. Come take it pretty Dan. Come take it. You know where me live. Come take it. Come for the $3,000 pretty Dan. Come for. You stink no blood clot. Yeah, me hungry belly family them can't get that $3,000. The dog shit. Just know that. You bumbuckler bad man. You too bumbuckler bad man. Tell the people them say a bad man, you bad man and stink. Tell the people them that drunk rot. That if you tell the people them say a bad man and stink and dirty and I had think. Tell the people me truth. Think and bad mind a bumbo clot and cranny. Because just thinking mama look nasty.
Anyways, guys,
But
this is
never
my new
tell me
page.
that cranny,
My new
girl.
page.
You do your body, boy. You forgot to do your crutches too. Cause your crutches don't do your crutches still big and dirty. With a big old fat them up in night. So you have to go do your crutches too. Do your crutches and beat me. Yeah? Do your crutches and beat me. Go and go do your crutches and beat me, drunk. Go near out Ramesh. Yeah, Ramesh go near out your mother. Yo, Ramesh, World Dog, Swissley, Donia, go near out to no mama. Alright, stink up. Go do your crutches and beat me. That if a blood clot with them big old fat dildo day night. Candy, go do your crutches and beat me. I must think me can't tame. Candy, go do your crutches and beat me. Please. Candy, go do your crutches and beat me. You stink no blood clot. You do your body but your crutches no do. Your crutches still think and big and sour. Moving forward. From the day me see you burn out Spice, me shall know say in a real long time. From me see you burn out Spice, so just send you $5 grand US. Spice, just send you how much money. I hear the burn out Spice the next time. The next little month where Spice can send you money. From the day me shall know say in a real and moving forward. But you me done some fool that this happen to me. And that happen to me still. Me nah, and that happen to me. We now go pray with friend for 3 grand cause we no hungry. 3 grand and no money. Just think no blood clot and cranny and think. You look a drunk or you. Go and tell the people them say a liar, they are cook. If first see a popcorn rush you come live and talk about it. For all you take so long to talk about this. If I this so you go for you, you too bumbo cloud wicked. A time you get to plan where you come with drunk. A time you want get to come plan, you look foolish where you real log them a plan. Paper, you know how me know say I'm a real log a plan. When me see him post on the Instagram say, oh, real dog I check pan me every minute and Spice. But you tell the burn out Spice. Real dog will pull my tick pan you too bumbo cloud wicked and lie. Real dog will pull my tick pan you day and night. Tell the people them say real dog pull my tick pan you. Tell the people them that I say you're afraid of real dog. Paper. If me did people, if I name prank, pretty than would afraid and he would want to talk about it, he would even want to call me name kind of afraid. If I name prank paper, he would want to call me name because pretty than a coward. Pretty than a coward. If pretty than brave enough to call me name and he still live in yard and everything. If I name prank, he would call me name. Because he don't afraid of me. Same like I'm afraid of popcorn and roll log. He not afraid of me just the same. If I name prank. I can't try cancel me drunk. Move your blood clots for yourself. Show the people me matic when me pull pie. That's what you do. And beat me. Pretty than show the people me matic. Show the people me full video. People if you watch the full video. We first go in. When me got the blood clot in yard. Me they talk to him say why go on a good pretty me be great him and I big him up. I say what me a good. So to show him that even know if you do prank good. You take no blood clot. Boy. Dog shit. 2 things me go wrong. Me and I done said, me no born yesterday. Me live America long time for no say. Always cover your face say yeah when you go on mission. In America. If always put on your mask. If you did this with a true, me don't cut your 2 box. From me reach me cut your 2 box. Me not chatting with you. If I name prank from me reach me cut your 2 box in your blood clot face. Because we are different type of species. This is how I am. From me reach, me cut your 2 box if I name prank. From me reach, me cut your 2 box, man. Plug. Be a box here. All me dog them. Where I claim say me have back on me, them a cut your 2 box to you. Be a box here get in your face. I'm not taking your face. If be a box here get. So nobody come pull no style for the people. Them. Boy, you big that you. You lie, your blood clot, you can't do that. Listen, we are different species. Paper right now, pretty than rent 1 pay in a month. So, nobody got me I mash up everything for now, because I know I get no rent money.
Alright people, it's like me couldn't believe say boy Blamdem would I really pull up and pretty than certain way. And you know what I mean, him have things that go on with other people. And him avoid them for so long. More to think him so stupid for run up on her. Or him run up on her. You see me I say? And knowing the camera thing set up in America. Right? So me still kinda no really believe 100% because you know why me kinda assume if you believe because Pretti Dan post up something where the officer them where him go make the officer them know what go on. Although people can type up that, but him put the like the Alan deal something on it that dep on it and re. So that make me would believe say yo something goes up for real. Alright. Two things my people. You see if I know Pretti Dan and Blamdem plan this thing here, Pretti Dan get a piece of food if you line up Blamdem. That mode I think. You see me? Make me know what you thinking in the comment. We'll listen some more of this and then we'll go over the Gaza First Lady and hear what she have to say.
I mean, I make you bring me down and then you not go and fix it back. You think no blood clot, you not go nowhere right, I say they done. And yes, I say they done, you not go nowhere prank. You not go no more further. I inform. Your blood clot there. The amount of something where we go through, with the happy power up like, I just say the head jump.
Good night. I just want to address so cocky politics watch. I in my combo, cause politics watch so cocky more than me. Uno tag him for me there. I know you're vexed because Andrew go stand up in this and him shall not be moved. No care what uno do, PNP shall never win election again. Andrew Holness, I go stay in a parliament till him dead and him I go have eternal life. Me say that. All if me have to sacrifice myself over and over again for him now move. So cocky politics watch. You me come bout. And me I go rub you out. FBI so cocky batty boy. You think me no know say you not like pussy? You think say me no know say your body deep and wide? I'm here and put what you know about me? A $4 million my boss give me. $4 million. Where you feel like Kartel now give me nothing? A $4 million me get from my boss since him come from prison. What you know about vybz Kartel? So cocky politics watch. Who you are and put? Watch and him supposed to blood clot beat me because me and him did a fuck. Me and him did a fuck and me nah no manners, my unruly and feisty no blood clot. Me supposed to get discipline and after him done beat me, we fuck down the whole of father room my studio. So cocky politics watch. You know how much for my phone? 320,000 Jamaican dollar. Kartel buy me that. So cocky politics watch. And me get the Benz. It's a 2025 GLE AMG Benz. I wait for me buy me X6 2025. So cocky politics watch. And if him never grow me like how him grow me could get for buy me Benz. I mean you come about, what you know about me? Me not done with you yet. But Iron Man and our government badness and Holness are the maddest blood clot live. I have a blood clot backers put on for Andrew. I say I have a piece of backers for my general. I owe you so cocky politics watch. On the tag him and screen record this. When you hear me attack, I know my boss me attack, boy. A Beenie man go suck your mother. That's why the man say it a tape. Gaza tape. A Beenie man me. Beenie man me. Since you no one know me. You don't know about me. You don't know who I'm a granny. You don't know my family them. You don't know what I do. You don't feel like a kekeke. You don't feel like a kekeke. You don't feel like me and him not deal. Me a asking if you don't feel like me and him not deal. Me and my boss good. Me and my boss good. Me and my boss good. Go suck out your mother. Politics watch I owe you. Batty boy. Your batty all deep and wide like. Go suck out your mother. On a screen record this and this more you put up. Put up this. Put up this on your page. Suck cocky politics watch. What you want? What you know about me? The reason why I left Kartel is because I want to go suck Dexter Daps big hood. Yeah, I'm want to go ride Dexter, that's big order. That's why I left him. Cause I'm like big cocky. So cocky. Politics watch. What this under my nose? I'm out. What you say about nobody make Beenie box you? You want me run up and down with the rifle in my blood clot and you no feel like a joke thing? Kartel teach me to beat man before me beat woman from me at 5 years old. Let me use the name Shaba. I will walk with the rifle so till he favor me. You no know me? You no blood clot know me? Eh? Me not even fire blood clot, ma take a Taurus me fire. Taurus, it not stick. Hey, no one now blood clot, the box who? Beenie can box who? You think Beenie could have box me and still there road I walk like blood clot, suck pussy spice? I wanna feel like. Eh? Wanna feel like me's a normal girl? Me say wanna feel like me nah nobody through me take so much things over the years. A tough, girl tough. And me just go and hold it. Enough things when me go through, me not tell my family. But you no ramp with me now, no? You know who am my granny? And the palm of the blood clot white witch. You no ramp with me now. Ramp with me now. You no ramp with me now. And see if somehow you no go sleep and no blood clot wake up. You know who me?
Alright, my people, here we go on. Me no quick for diagnose nobody say them unstable mentally, right? Sometimes them cannot go through some things and that cause them to say what them say more while. And some of the time them say some things and we did not believe them. You understand? Some things where them are battle up for over the years. So, we have to, you know what I mean? Hear what them are say. All when them in a state where we feel like say them not mentally 100. So no hear what the woman say. You hear what she say? Beenie man, you know what I mean? Take her something. You see it. And me no feel like it was no full on take it. Me feel like say them did a talk and them did a link. You see me? And him just force and take it. If you don't know what I mean. But I still RAPE. You see me feel like say them did a talk. That's why she never run to the officers them and make them know what go on. Or maybe she did a watch her career and say boy if she go to the officers them her career would have mash up. You understand? But more want to tell me want to think me people because enough of them female in the music industry, a lot of these things happen too. So make me no want to think we what some more.
You don't know me? Me say if you don't know me. Suck politics watch. You suck more wood than me. Stop calling my boss name and don't call back my name. And this more you put up on your page. Batty boy. What you know about me? Don't call back my name. And stop calling my boss name. And allow Andrew Oldness alone. Pussy. Suck out your mother. And who your pussy. You think, what you feel like? What you feel like? What you know about me? What you know about me? What you feel like say? What you feel like? What you easy on yourself here? Suck at the chicks watch. Put up this on your page. And this you have to put up. This no one you put up. Batty boy. You need to come from behind the vice there. And that you need to do. So me can dumb your blood clot. Me just send a spirit off of you and dumb your blood clot. You know who me? You know who me? You don't know me. Behavior. The reason why I take certain things in a life is because I want to keep my hands clean. But you see right now, my family not play about me. Oh, my family not play about me. And everything want to take from me, not for go give me back. Because I have my family to take care of. One bumbuckler wing, one Evershanks, one Pilly Blacks. I want to know, 190s, You don't know how me? One Stone Hill, one Labas. You don't know how me, one Seaview. You don't know me? Brother, come from behind the vice then, man. Let me send you one spirit for dumb your blood clot, no batty boy. Don't call back my name. Put up this. Are you for go sleep, Catalia? Stinking pussy girl, and go take the augmentin antibiotic for the decomposed all where you have. I tell you someone want to sleep. Don't call back my name, blood clot politics, and come off of my boss name. Pussy. You feel like me not get nothing? Go suck out your mother and come off of Andrew Holness name to batty boy. You suck.
Who not try to use my team up to get refresh green card? Then Pretty Dan come here with your suck the cold batty drink come say, Pretty Dan come here.
Oh, I like that.
Me glad you expose Blamdem. That's all me can't tell you, nothing more. Me can't cuss you yet, my baby. Me glad you expose Blamdem. And all the lie you tell Pretty Dan I pardon you because of the lie Blamdem tell.
Yeah.
I pardon you. Yeah.
Right.
Me not tell the lie Pretty Dan I can't cuss you. I cannot cuss you now. I cannot cuss you now. And if I true Blamdem out of other, who send my post? I will send me them two pussy I cuddle. Eh? And Blamdem a bad me a bad, me can't leave me yard. Make Mr. David shop for you.
Right. David. Make David.
Go make your husband shop for you.
Right. But you live with man in a foreign. Go make the man help you.
Shit in a plate. See name fit you there. Shalom supposed to laugh. I don't like when Shalom get joke, you know. Him blow a torch. I don't like when him get joke. Shalom supposed to have dead.
My same. Happy, see? Can I thank you, darling?
So Pretty Dan send Blamdem my address.
It'll help him out of one situation and that's their explain on our status.
Yeah, and him will help her back with the green card. To get the 3 grand before the month done.
Him said that she said that a long time from February 3rd when he call her to bring down.
That's a long time, but she should say that is a long time. But guess what? It is not a long time. You know why? Because she shouldn't be looking to Blamdem for help. Because and talk on the internet, nothing like the pan of clothes did make me know say she broke. But true.
But come here, all the whole of them come on TikTok, Blamdem phone. Go look at work drunk, but you sit down for upper beg. Pretty Dan come. Oh, me not the top son, but you sit down for upper beg too. The two I know.
Yeah, all of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, all of them, yeah. All of them sit down a beg. All of them. And of course you say you are beg.
Right.
All of them are hustle. And of course you say you are thief.
Right.
Yeah.
That's true.
Wow.
That's true.
Who use Nicky money though? Who use Nicky money? Who use Nicky money? Who use Nicky money, my baby? Who you at?
I must be Pretty Dan, never talk.
Yeah, I must Pretty Dan. For sure. Yeah, because Nicky did send her money for her birthday.
Oh. I must she post say thank you, oh, Spice our dog for check up on me, something like so. And then Blamdem go back up post and say, our dog.
Alright, so people, we're not going to stay over here so too long, but more here for them opinion on the situation, because we have Come situation and we also have Queenie, you know what I mean, for share with Uno. So tell me what you think about what she bought the office about the situation, because she bought her say she glad say, him glad say, you know what I mean, Pretty Dan expose Blamdem. But me not know who to believe my people. Me there I watch it like Uno, but more want to tell me what Uno think. Give me the opinion in the comment section. See?
You never send police fee, but I mean I send police fee. This all over people.
Say Pretty Dan a world dagger friend. They never know that.
Yeah, me didn't know that.
Dog, I'm dog. But when me talk the things them pan the people them say my bad mind.
Them not believe you.
But them a group up for bring down and tear down. And look how them a tear down them one another. All me have to do is sit down.
Me say I sit down for my life and I laugh. Hear the people them, yes, share your time now. Me say yes.
And shame, let me tell you something, say for laughing, come laugh.
Me I go laugh, me no care. Me I go laugh because look here, even last week, big one dey on live. Big one dey on live last week. I talk about me. And I talk about Nikki and me and my pitney and Ray. What me look? Big one, ice na lock up bumbo clock, big one na foreign.
So Tiki get the house. Jesus have mercy. Tiki got foreign got inherit please.
Me say I just pray for you all out, man. Pray.
Oh God.
I just pray for you, man. Me never have to do nothing to no. When I go see who next. Yes. Get locked up one by one. All of them are go down. All of them will come and so now bring me down on the media one by one. Wanna see who first get it. Last week was the woman with her dirty house. This week I Blamdem and Pretty Dan and Big One. Next week we go blood clad see who.
I hope next week all of them get saved. All of them get saved. I hope next week is a miracle.
Me say, wait, man, it's sweet, me see.
God,
I saw pick up roll out one by one the blood clot.
Tiki get the house in the anklet. Tiki get the house. I want them Tiki know for pay the bills them. Cocker fast. And now Tiki have to go work. Tiki is here come dropping an expense.
So I think so weird. Other big one house, big one I live with him boyfriend.
I won't Tiki.
No, Tiki can't get the house because remember them throat big one, you know. No one long time. Them they throw him out when them try to capture people them place.
Yeah.
Yeah, them they throw him out, so him be homeless one time.
Oh.
Yes, so them say him live with him boyfriend, you know.
Oh, bless the Lord. And
Tiki don't get no house.
Them say Tiki in a shelter.
Well, if I them there, them there.
Tiki, if you in a shelter, say hi to Cheese for me.
I already come and talk up beer blood clotting. Remember me have no behavior now. Them turn me the fuck on. Everything that. Yeah, man. Listen, Blamdem steal. Blamdem can't cuss me. Alexa, stop, baby. Blamdem can't cuss me. Blamdem repeat the same thing over and over again. Would me take back him who? She don't know if me say me love you, so you just come over here and trouble my Vincy. Vincy wife. She long me out. From me ears she said to Blamdem. Who you blam today? So if you encourage him for blam people, make me on a reason. You encourage him for blam people today. And him reach from Valentine's Day for blam. You know, so me have a man who did from Valentine's Day 16 years ago. Me have a man who did the same day when him insult me and I laugh. I want to take people feelings, sir. Me ask her now. That girl, Gwen, man. Young girl. I done the fucking queen. You know you can't done me? Me not trouble, none of blood clot, you know.
Going to attract even more love and goodness. You want to feel like Nikki?
I said, Nikki's a Saji. And the fact that she's up on the live. May I expect you to put more say into it. If you say, Blamdem louder. Me the year I talk to Disha. However, in a fair own word. But she just asked him why. Said, come like the two of them, like him said, Nicky, me I got done blood clot queen, you know. Or them, me not understand how him accept me and then I say me I look cloud cause him and Nicky dead. Don't you know me and Nicky blood? Me have a song what me do for Nicky. Do this and beat blood clot, me ban them. You want a titty? I just him grudge me for move your blood clot. All fat. Fat out of battle when you can't hear you. The fat of the blood clot land. All fat. You can chat to me. Look at beautiful queenie. You can chat to me. But me, when me say the boy, me did a cuss out blood clot and I'm myself. I'm myself, me a cuss. Hear me sing ya? She could have never chat back to blood clot. Me she can class me left, right, and center. She want. I don't care. I said my piece and release myself. I will not trouble me. You could have never come at my blood clot house. And this somebody at my blood clot here that me sit down and take as a queen. Me take it. Me not like that. Separation to blood clot me a different note.
Everybody can see that you're a great human being. And sometimes
you want to feel like Nicky? So, you want me to respect you? Me say do with this mean a blood clot by law. Through marriage. Because must sign my blood clot signature for better for blood clot worse. And it's not a curse. Me stand up for my blood clot sign for I'm proud of my blood clot self. What do we do? You can't get the chance to do that. Never. Oh, me see why the phone do so. That's a husband blood clot legacy. You can't compare do it with you. You idiot. Do you make me wear a white dress all when him eat me and remember me and no one see me and can't stand blood clot me. Memories don't live like people do. I'ma get on with life with him or without him. What are you saying? Do it this me and you can diss me. Me diss out to no dirty blood clot all day and night and this blood clot. Yeah man, them for go over there and come back over here. Them for play a hypocrite. Maintain the thing. Cause if me alone.
Alright, my people. So, here what me I go say now. Me I go say, Blamdem, you get what you deserve. That me I go say. Because you did a look the cloth from long time. Now you get the cloth. You this real dog, you this atto, you this multiple people. You see me I say, and then you come back and say you apologize to them because you just did a look cloth and you get it now, so you tell them sorry. So now you have the cloth. Queenie want the cloth, Pretti Dan want the cloth, Shay want the cloth, everybody want the cloth, and also you diss them too. So you have to just take it. That comes with the territory. Because you say you did want the cloth, so you diss who did have the cloth to get the cloth. Now you have the cloth. So you diss these people and them take it up back on this your back because you have the cloth, you know, and them want it. So I just say go. Unfair game, play it twice. So let me know what you think, my people. We're gonna move on from Queenie, you know, and go over to the next come thing.
Over here, me nasty over here.
Them arrest and charge her because Lexi did have bruises on her skin and Lexi tell her that is her mom beat her. So because all of that you know, bad to bad a mother, nobody now go want to see them siblings and whatever God thing there. So the sister tell Lexi for tell them say she fight at school, she and the pitney them fight at school and them do it and so and thing. So Lexi go back and change her mouth so that save her. That save her from them never lock her up and take away the baby from her. But then now she come and she start class me. Here what she start class me T?
riding king.
Huh?
Riding king. No, they get shut up in my wheelchair.
Yeah, one him.
Come on, somebody else.
Oh, okay. Oh. Yeah, so here what she start class me now. She thinks she should not bring no clothes to go get Lexi. Them tell her say the police them tell her say for bring Lexi clothes them cause Lexi needs to go to school the next morning. Lexi only have one.
Where Lexi is?
Lexi is by her aunt. She never see Lexi till yesterday. Yesterday from the 1st of February when Lexi go away, since yesterday them care about Lexi from her auntie. And as she took up her phone when she on live, them say, and she call Lexi, call them talk to them. And say, bring Lexi come now. And as Lexi come in, she depend, see my daughter here does come from school. See my daughter here does come from school. Poor she. She paint a picture for social media. And when I speak to Lexi, when I speak to my niece T and summer, I say, Lexi, you know, so I text your phone. She say, yes, uncle, I saw your text. My text come, I text Lexi on Messenger, and she didn't respond. And she said she saw my message, but she was going to call me later. But no, you know, Lexi stay. I thought so Lexi stay. And thing, you can't think there. My mother not prompt her and things with certain things. So I say, what happened? I say, what transpired? What happened? Why you keep on going away? Like, I'm worried. She say,
well, I love to them, love to the Down syndrome. This one yesterday down
yeah, hear me to you?
And they would say, don't be a bully.
Okay.
Oh, Foota. No, she too much. Yesterday, she had no way, and then she go and be like, I want you. No, she like me today too much, don't she know me?
Yeah. So I asked Lexi what happened. She said, Uncle, it's not on me. She's upon on me and mommy. Every time mommy want me keep prayer, and she call me and I tell me say, oh whatever with money, and she go kill me. She go kill me and kill herself. That is what my niece tell me. I tell no lie. And so I guess based on how aggressive her mom tell her that over the phone, then she run away again. She run away again because she accustomed to running away by her friend, and she had this friend that her mom always take her in because the mother know how come aggressive and stay and thing, because she even create fake Instagram. She used to have papers, but the boy where she come up and then married when she run off on the farm work in a 2012, them charge her $3,000. $3,000 for married, and she not get the boy no money. So when time she get the green card and she go back now for renew and the boy for sign so she can put in for the citizenship, the boy never sign anything. The boy tell the immigration say the wedding is fake marriage. So they took back her green card and she not put in for sign for no citizenship and summer. Them get one paper when her mother die, so she could have got a funeral, and the lawyer tell her say she lucky she come back through the airport with that paper with immigration guard. So what them do, cause she get the deportation paper and she appeal it. And yesterday she got a court. And it look like the court put off because she have an immigration case. She have an immigration court again yesterday. So I succumb from them time that she there foreign and married up to now she cannot put in citizenship because you know Virginia states there, them red state there. And she class me every day upon status because guess what? She thinks that me I send money to Lexi. But what if I was even sending money to Lexi and was contributing to get some clothes for the local girl? Me not in a dialogue with she. The mere fact me in a dialogue with a guardian, which is the auntie, and the local girl by the auntie. Me not even in a dialogue with you because me know I already knew that she's an incompetent mom and she's very.
Alright, my people, let me know what you think in the comment section. We'll watch some more. So me I say, because come, she kinda have an anger problem. You see me, I say she have a temper problem. She easily get like angry, you see me, and go off on people. So me can't see where she woulda, you know what I mean, go off on her youth more while and certain things. You see me? Me not put that past her. Although me not judge her, this is just my opinion. You understand me I say? But let me know what you guys think. Work with some more people.
Very ignorant, and you cannot speak with her. And she like to tell lighty. This point when them call me and so I did already upset and I just never want to talk to her at the moment. That is the reason why I never called her. That is the only reason why I never call her.
Go for it. I'm going for the package.
And I guess she gets offended by that and she want class me and she want bring me down and she want to say, oh, she send me to school. Like when, where, oh.